Hello guys, and here, and I'm going to about use wrapper offline. And I'm here in my videos. And here I click. Here's the thing we want to choose. But here, I'm going to select is Parody one. Yeah, this will load for a second. And I want and I want to load anyone, and it will and you're gonna have access when you have. Hi, Grandpa.
You just called me, so
I didn't call you.
You come to help me to set it up a live.
Oh, sorry.
That's very shame, man.
Sorry.
You know what? I'm gonna take this call.
Sorry, Grandpa. Sorry, Grandpa.
I'm gonna try Christmas. Okay, I'm gonna try
Christmas music.
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree.
Yeah.
And music. Alright. Sorry about that. I just got my booty here. So let's get started. I wanna hear. Look at Rapper Offline got custom rapper video, but say like Parody, rapper. So when you hear him, click. It's here. It's called. Now I am here. And you. At this rate. Cake to Ellen. To be here. That's only my secret. And when I see a code, should be, but a code, it will be fine. Plenty if you use it. I'll start with Omega. Alright, let's. But I wanna try is and click here. Alright. Okay, let's see. Let's click Eric. Someone. Alright, let's click here.
I want to get a mail to someone.
Alright, here, click here, and press preview.
I want to get a mail to someone.
And I run. And here's some music. Like this one. But this one is added. So I'm use this one. This one should appear to you. You want to use kind of music. And when I click on this, someone, so I want to hear. In here to put it and put it here is to add all. And I want to click is how.
Guys, Christmas coming up.
Yay!
I know, I see it.
You see it?
Yeah.
Come to see what this is.
And I want to say, I want to put chili.
How about that? You know that? You like that?
Wow. Thank you so much.
You see?
And this is gonna be. And this is. And I want to use it. And only click here. I'm gonna here is click preview.
I want to get a mail to someone. Wow. Thank you so much.
And let's save it. Let's see how my animation will go. And
I want to get a mail to someone. Wow. Thank you so much.
great. Thanks for you guys for watching. Make sure to go to my YouTube channel and goodbye.